Hey guys, so I wanted to try out this new nail transformation kit from this company called Trysprig. So this is the nail kit here. So the reason I got this is because it is a all-natural nail care kit, which is something that I personally need. I suffer from really bad eczema on my hands. My skin is like so sensitive. This is my first time trying this product. All I had to do was file my nails to the shape that I wanted, then buff on 3 sides, then use this cuticle conditioner, and my nails look fabulous if I do say so myself. This is before, so you can kind of see just as dull, plain, nothing special. Now this is the after. Do you guys see that shine? Look at the difference it makes to have conditioner, buffing, filing done. You guys see that? Okay, so the results are in. All it took was these 3 products: a nail file, the best buffing block I've ever come across in my life, and this most amazing all-natural cuticle conditioner. My nails are actually transformed. When they say that Trysprig is a nail transformation kit, it's no joke, because look at my nails. Literally transformed. And the fact that I can now allow my skin to heal and have my nails look and feel fabulous and regain their health at the same time is just more than this girl could ask for. So I highly recommend that you check out Trysprig and you won't regret it.